Hey guys, how are you doing? If you're using Google Photos app on your iPhone or iPad and you try to take a backup of all your Photos app content, the photos and videos that you have taken to the Google Cloud Storage account, and if the auto backup feature is not working properly, like for when you open the app, it starts to upload the photos and it gets stuck repeatedly, or you're experiencing the partial upload problem that the photos are not fully uploaded to the Google Cloud Storage, then you can try these troubleshooting steps. Open the Settings app and then navigate inside the Privacy and Security, Location Services, and inside you should be seeing the Google Photos location permission to make the auto upload feature work. I'm not sure why Google have tied it to the location services, making it mandatory, but it is must to keep the toggle on. If you're not finding the app, I'll suggest you what you have to do. And the next basic thing is navigate inside the Settings app, General, Background app refresh, and make sure the Google Photos toggle is on. When both the settings are on, then the auto backup feature will work normally. If you're not seeing the location services, Google Photos toggle or the permission to be given, then you need to navigate within your profile picture, within the Google Photos app, tap on the profile picture, navigate inside the privacy settings, location options, then tap on the photos with location, and here you will see a map like structure, and below there will be some photos that have the map access feature. If the location services on your settings app is not showing Google Photos app, then you need to tap the location icon to trigger the permission once again, where the Google Photos app will be registered on the iOS settings to use the location and services feature. So allow this app while using, or you can provide always allow depending on your requirement, but my suggestion is only allow while using this app, and then you can keep the app open for a few minutes to let the backup process completed automatically. So the missing location services, Google Photos, is the main problem here, and once you fixed that, within few minutes, depending on the Wi-Fi connection, you can see that the backup, everything is completed automatically. There'll be no stuck or no partial upload problem for the photos that you have selected. If you're like me who manually upload the photos to certain albums to keep things organized and you are experiencing the partial upload problem, I'll be creating my next video suggesting you the troubleshooting step on that. We'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first pinned comment. Once the video is uploaded, you can check that video to fix if the manual upload is not working on your iPhone to Google Photos app. Just one more basic thing is make sure you have updated Google Photos app to the latest version. Just check the App Store in order to make these troubleshooting steps properly work. Google haven't fixed it even till date with the partial upload and auto backup feature getting stuck. So I hope these troubleshooting steps helped you to fix the issue. Thank you.